Hello lovely people and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally back with another look. This is another spotlight look that I did. This look didn't quite turn out how I actually imagined it, but here it is nonetheless. If you like this, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Here's a tutorial, guys. So I'm using my MAC 242 brush and I'm applying the Plouise base in the shade 5 to my lid. I'm now going in with a Morphe M505 brush and I'm using the colour Shameless from the Makeup Addiction Sinful Eye palette.
Till I stumble off the edge and tip it toe and get off again. And get off again, yeah. When I was all alone, he put families around me, yeah. And when I need to move forward, he brings the people that I need.
So I'm just making sure I blend out any of those harsh edges and I'm ready for my next blend. Now for this blend I'm using the colour Cranberry Liqueur and it's again from the Makeup Addiction Simple Eyes palette, and I'm using a Zoeva 224 brush to do this. I always like to go back in with my blend, so I'm going back in with my first blend again just for any colour loss that may have occurred. So now I'm taking the colour Keen from the Carnival palette by BPerfect Cosmetics and Stacey Marie, and I'm using the Zoeva 224 brush again to take this colour all the way up to my brow bone and just blending it in with the second blend that I did.
I can understand if you don't understand the way it works out here. You need to know that my papa be with you, he never leave you lonely. Closer than your brother and your homie.
So to create more depth, I'm going in with black, and this black is Night Moves from the same Simple Eyes palette, and again I'm using a Zoeva 224 brush. As you can see, this is probably my favourite brush to use when I want to do like smaller, tighter blends. So we're going in with that base again to cut the crease. I'm using the base in shade number 2 and I'm taking a Zoeva 144 brush and I'm cutting that crease in a mushroom shape because we're creating a spotlight. I'm using this pretty metallic blue colour from the Carnival palette called Recharge, and I'm taking the Makeup Addiction Cosmetics Precision Shader brush and I'm just applying these to the outer edges of my spotlight. So I'm back to using the Sinful Eyes palette and I'm taking the shade Heartthrob and I'm just using my Zoeva 144 brush to just place that in the center and I'm just blending everything together. So believe it or not, I do use some Younique products. Fun fact, I used to sell Younique. So I'm just using a precision eye pencil in black and I'm smudging that out with a Makeup Addictions Cosmetics smudge brush. That's a bit of a mouthful to say sometimes. And I'm just going in with a base again under my eye in shade 5, ready for my under eye blends. Okay. So I'm just using the shade Shameless and Cranberry Liqueur and going back underneath my eye with those shades. Then we're going to add lashes and then we are done. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you like this look. Comment below, all that good stuff. See you again soon. Bye.
Love